Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of the application of how to fix or how to solve the problem of resolution on the application of Flow. You will go to settings. Here you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will search about Flow and you will click. Then here on this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem.